Hey, so this is my first video that you guys are all going to see, so hello, welcome to math class with Mr. Schultheis. Today we're just going to focus, or in this assignment we're going to focus on drawing a picture using the draw tools and just learning how to turn in an assignment. So hopefully I can walk you through that pretty simply. Alright, so we're in my first period class, but if you're in second, third, or fourth, it's the same thing. I'm in the class notebook right now, as you see up the top right here. But what I'm going to show you is how to access this assignment first. So we're going to go to Assignments. When you're in Assignments, you'll see that we have a Draw a Picture assignment right there that is due on September 14th. For most of you doing this, hopefully it's the first day of school, which is today. If not, just don't worry about the due date. You just do it when you see it and get it done. So you'd click on this Draw a Picture, and this would be your view. What you're going to do is you're going to click on that assignment right there. And you'll have it in front of you. You'll actually see a little video on here too, because I will be done at this point with creating the video. Okay? You will see a little bit more in here than just this. So in order to show you everything, I have to go back to the class notebook, which you will not need to do. Alright, so when you click on the assignment, it'll open up in Assignments your notebook page. And so what you want to do from here is you want to click Draw, and some tools will surface for you. So you have your Select an Object tool right here. You can hold your cursor over and you can select groups here, erase, draw with a pen, choose a highlighter, and you've got a whole bunch of colors here. Or you can, if you don't like those options for colors, you have more colors here. You can choose the thickness, even do some math, which we'll explore later. So your objective is to scroll below this video, which you will see. You'll see this video right here. Will be an embedded video, this one you're watching right now. Okay, you're going to scroll down below that, and you're going to draw me a picture. I want to see who has an artistic bone in their body, and who might be like me, who struggled to draw a box with video written inside. So you're going to come down here, use your finger on your touch screen, tablet, or whatever, and you are going to draw a picture of whatever you want. If it wants to be a car, a tree, anything. Here's my picture of a stick person next to a tree. Pretty terrible. I'm assuming I'm going to see a lot better videos than that. Alright, so once you're done, what you're actually going to see is you'd close, there's up here in the top corner, top right corner, you'll see a close button. It automatically saves. So I'm going to pause and get back into the assignment here for you. Okay, so here you can see my work, my video, my stick person, and my tree. And when I click it, again, it automatically saves. You click Close. And I wanted to show you that there was a turn-in button in here, but because I am the instructor, I don't have the ability to show you the turn-in feature on this. So there's a little button up here in the top right, and you'll have to click Turn In so then I can give you a grade and see your drawing. All right? And then and I'd give you a credit for that, and I'll show you in the next video where you can go to see it in your notebook.